I was sent this cordless straightening brush, and this is such a great size to keep in your car or in your purse. I'm going to see if we can use this today to get my hair straightened and ready to be on camera. So I have charged it up, and it does come with your charging cable. Here's the on button right there. And then it's going to take a little bit of time to heat up. This takes me to 190, and then 220 would be the highest, 160 is the lowest. It also comes with a little carry bag, and you get a little clip as well. It's at the highest, 220 degrees Celsius, and it is starting to heat up. So I'll be right back. As it's starting to get ready, I'm just going to start brushing it through my hair. Here is my after. You can see there's still a lot of waves in there that this did not completely straighten, but I think these are really good, at least with my personal hair type, for touch-ups. So I like to keep them in my car or in my purse and then use it when I need a touch-up. Then it does a good job. But if I'm trying to just fully straighten my hair for the day, this isn't quite hot enough for my wavy, thick hair. But depending on your hair type, it could be a great everyday one or perfect for travel, or like me, you may just want to use it for your touch-ups. So easy to use, and I love that they're portable, cordless, and then you just charge them up when you need to.